a product review of an automatic curling iron right here from MKBOO. I think that's what they're called. On their website it is My MKBOO, but I think that's how you pronounce it. Anyways, I am really excited to do this with you guys. I had a lot of fun. I don't want to spoil yet on my thoughts, but I cannot wait till you guys see this video and how this thing works. It's like the coolest thing ever, but I don't want to spoil anything. I'm just going to go over the details first. So this is an automatic curling iron, and it can go up to 450 degrees. That is pretty hot, especially if you have really thick hair, and also the lowest temperature is 300 degrees. There are 3 curl direction settings on this, and it's all digital. Right over here, you turn it on like so. You can, right here, the M, that's where you control all the settings, whether or not you want to curl your hair left or right, or just manually do it and it chooses it for you. And then obviously the temperature right in the middle. I just set mine at 390 degrees. But if you guys want to see how this thing works, if you are interested in an automatic curling iron because you don't like getting burned, or you just have trouble like curling your hair, like I know my mom has a lot of trouble using a straightener and like a wand, something like this would be really great for her. So I'm going to show you how this thing works, and yeah, I'm so excited to do a product review today. So if you are interested in an automatic curling iron and how to get results like this, then just keep watching. Hi guys, so I'm starting off with straight hair, adding my Foxy Bay Coolie F spray, and I'm going to be showing you guys the product right now, and I'm going to show you how it opens and closes right about now. So here are the settings right here. As you can see, it's a light up screen LED, and you can choose whether or not you want to make it go left or right. I just do it on manual and it chooses for you. And as you can see, I just put my hair and it sucks it and makes this sound right here. Now I had mine set for 12 seconds, so it literally counts 12 seconds for you guys, and you're good to go. You just pretty much line up your hair to the barrel, I guess that's what you could call it, and then you press the 2 buttons on the side and it sucks your hair up and spins it and curls your hair. I don't know, it's some type of automatic magic trick. I don't know, but I do show you guys right here. It's so easy. Like, I was freaking out over this because I was like, I don't know how to do this, like how on earth, but you literally just press the 2 buttons on the side of this automatic curling iron, and it just sucks your hair. So I know what a lot of you guys are asking. Will your hair ever get stuck? Have you experienced any defects? And throughout this entire tutorial, I experienced it just one time where I couldn't get the hair in right because I was trying to put too much hair in and it got jammed. So don't do that. Try to take 1-inch sections. Don't take any sections that are too big because your hair can jam it and your hair could get stuck, so, and pull your hair. So that is an actual disadvantage right there. Another thing is this is a little more time consuming, but it gets the job done and your hair stays curled for a really long time. And you don't have to do anything, you just have it do it for you. So that is a really big plus in my opinion. But yes, it is a little bit more time consuming if you're not like an expert. Like, let's say you are an expert, I mean, in using a wand and straightener. So if you are not a straightener and wand person and you really just don't know, don't have a clue. Like I said, my mom really just cannot grasp the idea of curling her hair with a straightener. She just can't. Like, I've taught her so many times and she just doesn't know how, and she hates wands because she burns herself. So something like this would be perfect for her if you don't like burning yourself or burning countertops and don't like using a straightener for curls, or if a straightener doesn't give you the curls that you're looking for, then this for sure is definitely the device for you. But as you can see, I'm going through my hair very easily and I really got the hang of it for a while, and you don't even have to hold anything together. The wand does it for you. You just pull it out. Well, it's not a wand, but the rotating iron. So I honestly was really impressed with this product. As you can see, a lot of the times in this video, I am like smiling and happy because it's just so cool. Like, I've tried automatic curling irons before, or automatic, I don't know, I'm sorry. Automatic curling irons, I'm just gonna call them that. And I just don't, they're not as easy as this. They're a little bit more complicated. So I really do like this. But like I said, just don't put too much hair in, or else your hair will get jammed and you're gonna have to pull your hair out, and that's really damaging to your hair. So just try to be patient and you'll pick it up. But other than that, that is it, and you guys will see my reaction at the end of the video. Okay, so I am honestly so shocked by how cool this tool is. It's one of the coolest things that I've ever used in my life to curl my hair, like me not having to pull, and it just does all the work for you. And it's all the heat is inside the barrel, so you can leave it on your desk and it's not burning anything. If it accidentally touches like your comb, it's not going to burn through or anything else. Like, I've had that problem so many times where I leave a curling iron and it burns something, I don't know. So I just love that this thing, you could touch it and you won't burn yourself ever unless you physically put your finger in there, which I don't recommend. But this has been like the coolest tool I've ever used. And honestly, like, I have a lot of body right now and I haven't even fluffed it out yet. I am not going to be walking around with these 1800 Shirley Temple curls. I am definitely going to zhuzh it out for you guys so you could see exactly what I'm doing. But I am really excited to see the end result here. I just want to make sure everything is cool. So let's comb this out. I'm going to flip my hair upside down first and then use my Foxy Bay comb to see. Okay, so that's just using my hands, but I still look like I have 1800s curls, so I'm going to take my comb and lightly, because if you comb through it too fast, it may mess up the curls. So I'm just going to gently comb through. So the curls are pretty much combed through. I would say that one of the only problems I did face is it does not work well with bangs at all. So I tried to run my bangs through the iron, but this tool, but it didn't really grab them because they're too short. So if you do have bangs, I wouldn't waste your time. I would just like take a straightener and kind of curl your bangs. But everything else looks really good. So this is how it looks, like all zhuzhed out. Really fun, kind of like 80s curls. That's what the vibe I'm getting from here. I have to be careful too with zhuzhing my hair right now because I did hurt my neck in my sleep. So this is how it looks. I'm really glad I wore an off the shoulder type top so you could see. Yeah, very 1980s. I feel like a Jenna Rink right now. This is just really 80s. Now, of course, you can always leave it for a less amount of time. I have mine for 12 seconds. You can always leave it for a shorter amount of time if you don't want like kind of tight curls like this. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I was really excited to try something else. I think it's called MKBOO. So let's try a different product on here, but this is the end result and I'm really happy with it. I'm living an 80s fantasy right now and I just think that it did a really good job. But anyways, I will leave the links down to this below. Thanks for hanging out with me and trying a different product with me today, and I love you guys. Bye.